issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Wind Point to near Yorkville to near Wheaton to Walworth, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. These storms have a history of producing wind damage across southeast Wisconsin. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, observations and public reports. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukegan, Arlington Heights, Palatine, Buffalo Grove, Crystal Lake, Wheeling, Northbrook, North Chicago, Gurnee, Mundelein, Algonquin, Highland Park, Lake, Indiana The Hills, Round Lake Beach, McHenry, Vernon Hills, Woodstock, Zion, Huntley and Grave Lake. Including the following interstates: Interstate 90 between mile markers 32 and 41. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 25. Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 25. This includes Cheyenne Lake State Park, College of Lake County, Great Lakes Naval Training Center, Lake County Fielders Baseball, Lake County Illinois Fairgrounds, Lake Forest College, McHenry County College, McHenry County Fairgrounds, Moraine Hills State Park, Ravinia Music Festival, and Six Flags Great America. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is